Hello. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, you did call?
5:30.
5:30.
Yeah.
You go this round, okay?
Sure. Okay.
To have our okay? We're busy today, Friday.
Oh,
Okay.
Just half an hour.
Yes, yes.
Oh my gosh, that massage was heaven. It felt so good. Like I didn't even want it to end. Like the lady, she was in a rush. I don't know what she was going to do, but I wanted like an hour, but she's like, oh, there are people booked, so we can only do 30 minutes. And then 30 minutes is done and there's no one there. Like, I don't know why she was in a rush, but it felt so good. It was so good. My back definitely feels better. So I'm gonna go grocery shopping, just a few items like breakfast stuff, because I pretty much have food, but I just like need like all these like yogurt, bread, milk, like all those things. So I'm just gonna run to the grocery shop right now, and then I'll go home and do something else. All of this is cereal. Now, this is so crazy. Like the whole aisle is cereal. I don't even know what to choose. Guys, what kind of cereal do you like? Let me know in the comment section. Well, let's see. It's been a while since I had cornflakes, but I don't like cornflakes this time. I want Cheerios, but the one with honey. So I think I'm getting this pineapple juice, which is 100% juice. Because I'm not getting the apple juice that I usually get. The 100% juice one that has that rich color. Oh wait, right there. So let me get that instead. I'm not a fan of pineapple juice. Let me get my usual. So like I'm not really getting much stuff because I have food. As I said. So we're going home. What am I going to do? Like what are my plans for the night? So one, I have to clean like my sink area where my stuff are, like in the mirror. And then I'm gonna do my skincare routine. It's been a long time since I did a skincare routine. So I have to do my skincare, and then probably cook some dinner and watch movies. That'll be my plans for tonight. It's like 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. It's almost like getting dark, so there's not much I can do today. So I'll just try and do all these things, make sure everything is done, and then that'll be all. you. I love how my skin is glowing right now. Like, I think I should be doing this more often, and I'm gonna have a perfect skin. Like, I haven't really had a chance like to do self-care and all that, like since January, like the video that I posted about the maintenance. So like it's been like 2 months since I did like this detailed skincare. So I think I would probably have to do it more often. So what's up next is I'm gonna have dinner. After dinner, I'm gonna watch movies and sleep. It's currently like 9 p.m. so I probably have to just hurry up with everything so I can have enough time to sleep. So if you've watched to this point, thank you so much. So comment, like, and subscribe. You know how we do it, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.